A very good morning to you and welcome to the ASX at Breakfast. I'm Rachel, reporting live from Kalkine Studios in Sydney. Now, Australian shares were poised to open flat this morning as upbeat economic data from the US and the Federal Reserve's hawkish monetary policy stance stoked fears of prolonged interest rate hikes. The local share price index futures was unchanged, a 51.6-point discount to the underlying S&P ASX 200 index close. The benchmark rose 0.1% yesterday. Now, looking to some business news from this morning now, and Newcrest has received early prepayment of gold prepay credit facility from Lundin Gold. Newcrest said the facility amount was $173 million from Lundin Gold. Newcrest acquired the gold prepay credit facility together with a stream facility and an offtake agreement in respect of Lundin Gold's Fruta del Norte mine for $460 million back in April 2020. And Helios Energy has reported that the Frack Job for Presidio Well 52 is expected to start next week. To date, 3 water storage facilities have been completed and filled with water. Frack tanks along with 6 sand silos are on site and have already been functionally tested. The sand silos are currently being filled with frack sand proponent. Helios's principal activity is the oil and gas exploration company, whose principal activity is the Presidio Oil project, which is located in Presidio County in Texas in the US. Moving on, and in December, Magellan experienced net outflows of $2.6 billion, which included net retail outflows of $0.6 billion and net institutional outflows of $2 billion. Magellan funds will pay distributions of approximately $0.3 million in January. Average funds under management for 6 months ending 31st of December 2022 was $53.8 billion. Well, it's time for a short break now, but stay tuned for more news set to affect your trading day.
If you're looking to keep abreast of the biggest stories from the crypto world, the fate of exchanges and crypto hedge funds during the ongoing bear market, and you're wanting to keep up to date with the best and worst performers in the altcoin space and that of flagship currencies such as Bitcoin and Ethereum, then Kalkine Media's daily crypto catch is absolutely essential viewing for you. Tune in each afternoon right here on Kalkine Media to get the latest scoop from anchor to zero coin.
And welcome back to the ASX at Breakfast report. Looking around the world now, and on Wall Street, the S&P 500 dropped 1.2%. The Dow Jones Industrial Average lost 1% and the Nasdaq dropped 1.5%. Now, the number of Americans filing new claims for jobless benefits dropped to a 3-month low last week, while layoffs fell 43% in December, pointing to a still tight labour market that could force the Federal Reserve to keep hiking interest rates. Now, looking over to Europe, and the FTSE is up 0.4%, the DAX is down 0.3%, the CAC is up 0.5%. Moving on to oil, and Brent oil is down 4.2% to $78.63 a barrel. Gold, on the other hand, is up 0.7% at $1,853 an ounce. Well, that's all for our ASX at Breakfast report this morning here at Kalkine TV. Have a great day trading. Stay tuned for more market updates and economic news live throughout the day. I'm Rachel, signing off for now.